There we go, and you can see the oil has got the bits have stuck to the oil. Now the next thing we need is an airline. Watch your eyes. That's that. Now, this is the important bit. When you put these helicoils on, it's not a helicoil, it's a thread inserter, but you can see it's got a ring there with a little Allen bolt in it, a grub screw in it. Now, you can adjust this depending on the length that you need to go to, because when you put your helicoil on like that, it needs a stop behind it. If you didn't have that stop and you just had a helicoil on, as you're winding it you can actually jump the thread, so this keeps it in place. So when we put our helicoil in, all we do is simply put a little bit of pressure this way, wind it in like that, pull that out. See, it's under flush now because you've gone up to that shoulder, and that's where this little jibbly jobbly thing here comes in. You're supposed to hit it, I think. Well, it may not hit because it's at the end of a blind hole. There we go. It's me, weak.